Hello everyone, welcome back. And yeah, in our previous video or previous episode, we have created few sample products, WooCommerce Woo products to populate this layout template. Now let's design pop-ups for this login. Okay, a new pop-up. Let's call it login. Create template. Okay, this is the pop-up area, and here let's insert one column section. Okay, here we go. Then inside we can insert login widget. This is a Elementor Pro widget. Insert this login widget. There we go. And here I think let's go here in the setting, layout of white. I think 500 is enough. And height fit to content. Okay. Vertical align center, horizontal align center. Okay. And here advanced. Let's set few paddings. For example, top. What about 20? Bottom 20. About 15 to the left, 15 to the right. Okay, like a little space. Let's do that. And here, okay, publish this. Triggers one click. Okay. Save and close. Okay, that's it, and we're done. Now let's go to dashboard. Okay, here we can add new template. Sorry, here let's go to theme builder. Header. Let's add new. For me, I like the previous view. Okay, this is theme builder interface is also good. Here we can access all those theme builder features, but okay, now this here we will design the header so fast. Let's insert a three column widget like this. Sorry, section like this. Okay, that's it. And before that, what we can do, yeah, let's set the color scheme. First here, go with colors, primary, okay, and let's choose yellow, and primary, let's choose red. Okay, update this, and close. Okay, here, and what about H3, H6? Colors for ordering, and color, okay, and go to section setting. Here let's align the content to the middle here like this. At the same time, let's give a little gray background. Okay, like this. Colors for ordering, let's reduce this, column white. Then let's insert icon list or icon box. For example, icon list. Here we can insert icon list like this, then delete this to here. Let's insert phone, then phone number, okay. Then to the right, this login button. Let's insert this button widget to the right alignment. Okay, and here link this to pop-up here and select the pop-up, login. Okay, that's it. Then go to style. Okay, before that, let's change this text to login like this. Okay, go to style and remove this padding and this background color to remove it. Text color change to secondary. Okay, let's make this yeah, we cannot remove it completely, so let's make this transparent like this. Okay, and on hover here, it is not changing color, so let's add hover text color. What about this color like this? Okay, then next is this navigation logo and the navigation. For this, let's insert, okay, 3-column section like this, and vertical align middle, advanced, let's add padding about 20 to the top, 20 to the bottom like this, and side logo or side title here. Okay, for delivery, and navigation menu here, right align, select the main menu, okay, okay. If you want to change this underline pointer, you can change it here. Here I have overline like this. Okay, and you can also change the animation, hover animation here. That's it. And then let's move this column to the right like this. Okay, and okay, then drag this menu card here and drop it here. Okay, okay, we're almost done. And card medium, card solid, here a lot of options here. For example, back like, basket light, okay, and card, slide card, mini card, and lots of options. Yeah, leave the default, that's okay. And now let's make this responsive. It is easier to design the layout for the desktop. It is hard when we start arranging, make it responsive or make it look good in all screen sizes. So let's try the mobile first. Okay, here it is. Little so here let's inspect this. Sorry, let's inspect this and see how they arrange. Okay, that's it. on mobile, and the menu card basket is showing here as a sidebar, and it also hiding the login button. Okay, that's it. So let's show the login button, login icon, and the menu card icon on the right sidebar like this. So on mobile, let's hide this column. Responsive, hide on mobile. Okay, and at the same time, let's hide this column 2, responsive, hide on mobile. Okay, now we have here, make this center align on mobile. Okay, like this, and here go to style, toggle button, remove the background, and change the color like this. Okay, and here make here let's change the column white to 50%. Same for this column white to 50%. Now we can display these two items, two widgets at the same row. Okay, like this. Okay, that's it. Publish this. Add condition for the entire website. Okay, save and close. Okay, now let's see this header that we have just designed. Okay, here we go. Login, header. Okay, here I am currently logged. So yeah, that's it. And for this card, and the login button for the mobile screen, let's make it float on the right side here in the next episode. That's it for this episode, and thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave your feedbacks, comments, whatever, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, see you in the upcoming next episode. Stay tuned. Bye bye.